Hello friends, in this short and basic video, I will show how to fix Microsoft Outlook working offline. As we can see this line, all accounts are working offline, and once you try to remove it, so you are not able to remove. So to remove this working offline and to connect your Microsoft Outlook with internet, click here send or receive, and here click on work offline. Just you have to click on work offline and wait for a few seconds. Here you will see the try to connect, and as we can see it's now connected. So thanks for watching. This is a very short and basic video to know how to connect your Outlook to with internet.